particular ground racking or not. This particular one is an iron ridge rack, and these are there's certain specifications that are required to ensure this is making a proper bond. Without penetrating that coating of the anodized aluminum, you're not creating a good bond. And although at first glance this might seem to be a cutting edge system, very well taking use of new industry components, upon diving deeper into the inspection, I found quite a few of these clamps not born into the anodized, creating a good bond. Now you can go ahead. There you go. So weeb clip. This is very, very common. Weeb clips, these small, you can almost see the little round section on that, and I'm sure many of you know that round section is also meant to pierce the anodized coating of the frame, and when it does not do that, that module is not sufficiently bonded. The good thing about weebs is they require those in multiple locations throughout the panel, so more often than not there's 3 good-looking weebs and 1 improperly set weeb, but not always the case. And this one was one that called me out. Really, I was very surprised to find it, because oftentimes we just assume, oh, the wire's landing where it needs to be on the main service panel, but again, diving deeper into that inspection, you start to see what appears to be a 6-gauge wire is effectively derated. Its size is derated because they cut roughly 12 to 15 of the strands of conductors inside and only landed really 5 of those conductors on that bar. So you've effectively taken a 6-gauge wire and derated it to something like 14 or 16 gauge, something that's certainly not sufficient for a final connection of an EGC. I believe that wraps up the